say.
Hello, everybody. Me and Mama Wina are having so much fun about aloe vera. I was putting aloe vera on her face because I told her.
Gently lang ha, gentle massage. Including my eyebrows.
Yeah, including your eyebrows.
When talking to the camera, you should look at here because the eyes of the camera is here. The lens of the camera.
What did
Here.
you think of my look in the camera?
Your eyes. Let's look at here because this is the lens of the camera.
Dapat dako ng aloe vera. Pasang dako ng aloe vera mo na.
Slowly, you cut it.
Slowly.
You cut it.
Pretty. It's so pretty.
Diba? Katong murag mga iyang gel, dili siya mag-slide.
Yes.
It sticks kay sticky man siya. Unlike kung mabutang kag water. You squeeze it in my face.
Okay. Oh yeah.
That's enough.
Oh yeah. And okay up. A bit.
You squeeze more later na lang.
They look like egg yolks.
Yeah.
Because there's egg yolks are so squeezy.
You can cut it.
Cut it?
Yeah. So that
Oh, I didn't know
diba?
they can cut.
Nagikalingawan ko sa kong pag-umangkon. Hello mga kahigala. Wala milingaw sa akong pag-umangkon nami di kay mag-iyaha daw kuno kung kuan applyan og kuan pang beauty tips. Meet Candy. Say hi Candy.
Hello.
Wala man sila school karon. Samo kay si Chuy Chuy sigig panawag. Oh, namin ni ate dire. Iyang butangan daw akong dagway og aloe vera. Kanang kuan gyud natural nga kuan. Katong aloe vera plant. Agoy. Ay, Ginoo ko unsaon naman ninyo ako noong. Does not smells good.
Huh?
Does not smells good. Muni ang lingaw akong naong iyahang kalingawan kung kuan wala siya school ganahan kay ni siya mag-drawing di ba ate?
Yes.
Ganahan kay siya mag-drawing tanawan ninyo mga kahigala na unsa niya akong dagway ate na ay aloe vera dare sa akong eyes
Wait on your eyes. Nana, mana. Basta.
beauty tips daw ko mi. Mana ate. You talk to the camera. What are you doing?
Putting your face aloe vera because I do like this because I saw it on YouTube that they do it.
Kaulan mo na kaayo diri sa CDO kaganiha gikan mi nag-uban mi ni ante niadto mi og kuan mall kay nagsuroy akong senior citizen nga ante mo na perminti akong gauban nun so bago lang ko kauli. I can't open my eyes.
You should not open your eyes. If you open your eyes, it will have hostile things.
Ga-in-English ni sila. Muning kamo sa tag-in-English. Look at my eyes. I think there's an aloe vera in my
Eyes.
eyelashes. It stick
It sticks
in my eyelashes. You check it. Diba sigma ko anta. So, mauna ni. Pero ang aloe vera, maayo gid kayo na siya para sa dagway. Kay rich in vitamin E. Na siya natural. Bye-bye! Nanghid na si Kuya Kurt kay na siya klase karon. Pagdali kay pwede ka maulanan. Si Ate Bea, unya pa pud tumuuli mga alas 3, pero nananghid siya na mag-purchase sa ilahang kuan, at sa ilahang mga ingredients sa ilahang project sa TLE. So,